Hey Suri, is the kitchen the heart of the home? My name is Mary Wire. I am the owner and principal designer at Merrily Modern. I live in a 1962 mid-century modern, expansive ranch. Over the past 7 years, we've been working towards restoring it and trying to keep its original modern vibe present. I use the former living room for my business, so it was a place to meet clients. So having the entryway have a real cool vibe and the dining room have a cool vibe was important because people would judge me on that. And I wanted to make sure the house was as cool as I am. I wanted to make sure that every angle of the kitchen had something of interest, had a point of interest. For me, it's the plants, it's the symmetry with the wall oven and the hutch cabinet. If you turn and you're looking at it from walking in the front door, definitely the column, freezer and refrigerator are a point of interest. I also wanted the kitchen to feel like it had always been here. So in the entryway is this great blue flooring that is original 1962 to the house. That was my inspiration in using the blue brick from fire clay on the walls. I also didn't want any exposed drywall in the kitchen. I wanted every wall in the kitchen to have a material on it. A key component to mid-century modern design is bringing the outdoors in. So I have the walnut veneer in the cabinets, bringing in the warmth. Because of the added skylights, I was then able to play off of that vibe even more by having an array of plants and propagating plants and whatnot on the island. I was also able to turn an area that was originally the laundry room, which on my Instagram I referred to as Scary Hallway, into the pantry. So I was able to hide things that would typically be in your upper cabinets in the main footprint of a kitchen. When it's time to renovate a space like your kitchen, it can be so overwhelming to figure out what that actually looks like. When I work with homeowners, the biggest goal is to have it feel like a collaboration and feels like a great reflection on you and also how you'll live in the space.